But yeah, look at that. Look at that behind me. Isn't that fantastic? I haven't done this yet. And this is my walk to work. This is our apartment block. We're up on the 18th floor. This is the community we're on. Quite a number of the other foreign teachers work there. So that's the gate we're going to go through. I'm not going to do the whole thing because I don't want to waste the battery on my phone. So yeah, going out the gate. The first thing we're going to do, the mountains, this is all the university mountains. We're going to go to the shop and get me some water because my first class is a 2-hour class, 2.5 hours. Yeah, we have a little parade of shops down here. The interesting thing is, I found it yesterday, and it's noticeable that in all these shops there's a lot of Italian goods. A lot of Italian food, Italian makeup, wine, and so on. And I was told this is because this area here in Wenzhou had a quite a close connection with Italy. There's one of the shops. And down here we've got so there's wine shops here. Another wine shop. I haven't been in yet. Seems to be a bit more expensive than Hangzhou. We haven't found the cheapo plonk that we like to enjoy. But look, that one's open. One day we'll go in and have a look. But here you can see all this Italian cleaning stuff that my wife loves. Anyway, we're going to go over there to the main gate and get through the security with our QR codes. Beautiful mountains, beautiful blue sky. Last week this road was practically a dirt track. It was brand new road and it's being completely recovered, relaid and planted practically overnight. So here we are at the entrance to the university. That's just being built. I think that I've been told that's a replica of the university in America. I'm told my pronunciation is wrong. I've been saying Kean, but it's Kean, apparently. Wenzhou Kean University, which is the American family, I think, that started the university. So I've got to stop filming and get my QR code out. The security and the facial recognition that scans your face and lets you in. I love robots letting me in. Okay, so over there, that's the teaching blocks where our offices are and the classrooms. You can see that the university, even though it's been going for, I don't know, 7 years, it's still very new. They're still building it. That's, as I said, that's still being built. And the buildings going up all around. And, you know, and some of the admin has to be sorted out as well. Some of the systems are still being worked out, which is sort of quite surprising. Yeah, that's some admin offices there, and right up the end there's the canteen for the students, and there's another canteen over there. School dinners is school dinners, right? This is A, B, C, D. I'm in C, which is behind that white building there. It's very quiet because at the moment it's just 10:09, so all the students are in classes. My first class is 11:30. But I have some photocopying and some admin to do, so I'm coming in early. Then, like I said, it's 2.5 hour class. Then I've got 1 hour office hours, and then another 1.25 hour class, and I'm finished about 2:15 this afternoon. Yeah, so that's why there's no one around. We're just going into here, into this building, which is the C building. We've got lift, and through there's a cafe. It's called Social Dog, which does really nice coffee, as you would expect from an American university. Oh yeah, here we go. I'll just give you a quick look at that. There's a coffee shop. Nice and cool in the shade. Okay, we're going in. And the lift is over here. Here we go. Second floor. Here we go. And here we are. Second floor. And this is where I am at the moment. It's not a proper office yet. They said they're short of office space, but so this is me. I've bagsed this back desk because then I can control the AC. And we switch it on. First thing we do, switch on the AC. And yeah, this is where I'm working from at the moment. Yeah, one of the downsides of this place is that it's got no lights, so I might have to bring myself a little light for when we have dark mornings and dark afternoons. But yeah, it's still a bit hot at the moment, a bit sweaty. Need lots of water. So, got to do some photocopying. But first, I want to go and get my computer fixed. I'm not being able to enter one of my email addresses. We've got just multiple email addresses here. It's very confusing, but my Chinese email address doesn't seem to be working. So I'm going to the IT. So these are all the faculty offices where the tenured guys or the professors have meetings. Over here is the Entry and Administration Public Security Bureau, where I believe next year we can get our visas done without having to go downtown. And around the corner here we have the one-stop spot for staff. Whoa. Yeah, just trying to get into my email is a nightmare. I don't seem to be on the system. Click on this, it don't work. It takes me to Microsoft Office. Oh yeah, we're going to do some photocopier. This is D. No, this is B. That's C. Oh, we're in B block now. Here's a photocopier. I left it running while I went for a pee. Okay, here we are. Okay, this is my classroom for today. 207. Here's the classroom. I think I've got about 15 students, 16 students. All the usual stuff. We'll start at 11:30, so I'm 15 minutes early, but ready to get all set up. Okay, that's the first hour and a quarter done. Time to have some energy food to keep me going for the next hour and a quarter. I'm gonna go and wash it now. There's my office through there. Okay, you catch me at lunchtime. Well, 2:15. I've done my 2.5 hours work, which what's it now? 2:33. I'm going over here. Oh, you might be interested. Oh, there's no sign. There's a sign. Anyway, there was a sign there the other day saying beware of the snakes. The flowers have gone over as well. The lotus roots. So yeah, well, this is the business faculty. I'm going to walk through there, and I'm going to the shop. I need to do some shopping, which is a bit of a hike, to be honest, in this heat. Oh yeah, so let's get into the cool. We can walk through the whole building. I don't know what these are. They're just photos, I think. I haven't had a good look yet. We got a surprise round the corner. Time for the surprise. Can you guess what it is yet? Oops. Yeah, Subway. Whoa. Subway. It smells delicious. I'm so hungry. I've got to go to the shop first. Maybe I'll come back to Subway and get half a sandwich. Oh yeah, we're back in the baking sun now. I think this is a science and physics department that's been built. You can see we're surrounded by mountains. That's where we live, over there in those towers. In here's a gym. I haven't got there yet, to be honest. It's too damn hot. But maybe I will. Who knows? That's the other canteen here. And we're getting up to the area where the students' accommodation are. In the blessed relief is some shade. You see people at it, working out, boys lifting weights, pumping iron. Let's get to this shop. I might treat myself to a ice cream. Yeah, unlike the Wenzhou campus, there's no stopping electric bikes coming on the campus. I'm trying to keep up my steps, so I'm not tempted to bring my electric bike on campus. But you know, when it's hot, just whizzing around will be nice. But there you go, around this corner, and we're right. There's all these little electric blue bikes here, and I think they're only for use on the campus. I haven't seen them outside, so I think they're campus bikes, because, like, you know, the campus is so big. This is dining hall 2, so maybe I'm going to have to ask somebody to help me get the APP, and then I can whiz around on one of these little electric bikes. They look pretty cool, don't they? So yeah, see, there's the bowl end. A bit of health and safety going on here. Just go around the outside of this big crane. A little bit of tape keeping us away from it. We are sort of a little cakey drinky shop there. This canteen obviously is shut because it's 2:40 now, so yeah, canteen and chefs, and we're gonna go into the shop because hopefully they've got what I want, which is bread, a toast, and some other stuff. I'm going to put the phone down, but you can see it's all the stuff students need here. Okay, so that's the shopping done, and yeah, I got myself a dark Magnum, which is going to be open right now. Let me just sit down over here and do it. Intense dark. Yeah. Now the door's locked now, we can't get out. I forgot that. Yeah, I told you I'd be back. Okay, I succumbed to the pleasures of Subway. There's the coffee shop we saw earlier. My shopping. Okay, so I've got about an hour now. Watch something on my video. Can't on my computer. Can't get it on my table because the plug's so far away. Got to sort that out. And yeah, lunch. Okay, it's 15:41. Got to go into B on the 5th floor to my next classroom. So let's go, right? Up to the lift. There's no flower arranging in there. Must be some sort of club. Oh, I've got to wait for the lift. These lifts are so slow. That's going to go all the way down to the bottom, then up again, probably. They're doing flowers. Flower arranging. Smells very nice. Oh no, there's my lift. I missed my lift. Here we go. Okay, we're on the 5th floor. Sleepy. We're going over here to, where's it, B. Out into the burning sun. You see, we are over there. We're in those towers, and this way you can see. Oh no, can you see? No, you can't. Maybe you can. There's a temple over there. You might not see because the sun is glaring, but there's a temple in that little valley, and we'll go and visit that temple one day. But yeah. So we're here 505, I think we're in. So maybe you can see the temple over there in the shade. I'll click myself in, everyone. Yeah, this one's 505. 505. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Well, that's my day finished. Look at that behind me. 5:15. It's a long day today. But tomorrow I start earlier. I start at 8:30, and I'm finished at 2:15, I think. But yeah, look at that. Look at that behind me. Isn't that fantastic?